Hello, students. We are studying the chapter of the French Revolution. Today, we will study the topic Did Women Have Revolution? In this topic, we will study the condition of women in France before and after the revolution, how they protested for their rights, and what were their demands. Women participated actively in French Revolution. They hoped that revolutionary government would take measures to improve their condition. We have studied that women participated in French Revolution with full enthusiasm. When all the men were in war field, the charge of men was taken by women. Now they demanded that the new government would understand their problem and they would do some better for them. Now first we will study the condition of women in French society before the revolution. Here we will study the condition of women before the revolution. So, what was the condition of women in France before the French Revolution? Most women of the third estate had to work for living. Most women of estate were working. Which type of work were done by them? They worked as laundresses, sold flowers, fruits, vegetables, and worked as domestic workers. These kind of jobs they were doing. They were not doing a very good or a prosperous job. They were doing these small jobs. They did not have education and job training. Education was not given to them. Job training was not given to them. Only daughters of nobles or wealthier people of third estate could study at a convent. After that, their families arranged a marriage for them. So all women were not studying that time. Only the girls of nobles and prosperous educated people sent their girls to study, and after that they were forced to marriage. Working women had to care their families, that is cook, fetch water, queue up for bread, and looked after the children. The most of the women of third estate were doing some small jobs. For example, they were selling flowers, they were selling vegetables, they were laundresses, but they had to do other jobs also. They had to cook food for their families, fetch water, queue up for bread, and looked after their children. They had to stand in to purchase bread in a long queue. They also had to look after their children. Their wages were lower than men. Another thing was that their wages were lower than men. There was inequality between the wages between the man and woman. So these are the condition of women before French Revolution. Women's step for revolution. When women realize their worth, when they realize that they are not lower than men, then they started protesting. So what steps taken by women to improve their condition? In order to raise their voice, women started their own political clubs and newspapers. Women started their own political clubs and newspaper. About 60 women club came up in different French cities. There are 60 women clubs in cities who were fighting for their rights. The famous club was the Society of Revolutionary and Republic Women. This is the one mark question. Name the famous women's club. It was the Society of Revolutionary and Republic Women. This was the famous women club. Their main demand was to get same political right as men. They wanted right to vote. So main demand of women was that they wanted the political rights as given to men. In other word, we can say they wanted right to vote. Now, next, women were disappointed because new constitution of 1791 declared them as passive citizen. Women participated in French Revolution. They walked with men. They helped the men. Now they demanded that the new revolutionary government will solve their problem. But what happened when the new constitution was formed in 1791 after the fall of Louis XVI? The new government was formed. The new constitution was formed in 1791. This constitution did not give any right to women. Instead of, these women were considered as a passive citizen. Passive citizens means women were not allowed to vote. So this was the condition before revolution. Now we will study the next topic, condition of women after revolution, or we can say steps taken by revolutionary government to improve the lives of women. So what is the condition after the revolution? The revolutionary government took some steps to improve the lives of women. Revolutionary government did not give women the right to vote, but some measures were taken to improve the lives of the women. What were they? Schooling was made compulsory for all girls. All girls, the schooling was compulsory for all the girls. Their fathers could no longer force them into marriage against their will. Their fathers could not force them to marriage. Marriage was registered under civil law. There was a registration of marriage under the civil law. Now, next, divorce was made legal and could be applied by both man and woman. This was another thing, that divorce was legal and it can be applied by both man and woman. Women could now train for jobs, could become artist or run small business. Now, job training was given to men. The women were allowed to run a small business. They could be artists. So these were the some changes taken by revolutionary government to improve the situation of women. When struggle was ended, women struggled for their rights. Now, when the struggle of women was ended, women's struggle for equal political rights was continued. New revolutionary government gave some changes to women's life, but still women were struggling. It was the struggle of women was continued during the reign of terror. You know, the reign of terror in 1793 to 1794, when there was a government of Robespierre, Jacobin Club. During the reign of terror, the new government banned women's club and political activities. The new government, the government of Robespierre, the government of Jacobin, banned the political activities and women's club. Many women were arrested and executed. So those women who were very actively participating in protests, these women were arrested and executed by Jacobin Club. They were guillotined by Jacobin Club. Women's struggle for voting right and equal wages was continued next 200 years in many countries of the world. So this struggle of women for equal wages and voting right was continued 200 years in many countries. In 1946, women in France got right to vote. Now, the women of France got right to vote in 1946. So this was the condition of women before and after the revolution. Thank you.